Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about NobleMerry Fast Track, how to get paid in 6 months. Now it's so easy, so very easy. Now probably you have heard one or two people talking about how they got paid their total 130,000 naira in a period of 6 months, and you're wondering, how do I do it? What do I do? What's the next step? Now I'm here for you, so let's go on. Now for you to get paid, it said how to fast track. Step 1, create an account. Let's give the account name account 1. Now after creating account 1, step 2, use the referral code of account 1 to register 5 new members within a maximum of 40 days. Now you have a grace period of 40 days to register those 5 new members. Now anything that makes it 41 days is not possible to fast track that account again. 42 days is not possible. I'm so sorry to tell you that, but that is the rule of the company. So make sure you do not lose count of those days. Now this diagram beside you here gives a detailed explanation of how fast track works. Now this is account 1. This is the referral ID of account 1. Now you use the referral ID of account 1 to create a new account 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now that means you pick or bring in 5 new people. Now when you bring in those 5 new people, each of them will get their 65,000 naira, while you are going to get 130,000 naira in 6 months. Is that not interesting? That's so interesting. That means if you create 5 accounts and you get 5 people under those 5 accounts, like five people under those 5 accounts, you are going to get 130,000 naira times 5 in 6 months. That's so interesting. Now let's go on to step 3. For the process to be complete, you have to fund account 1 with the complete 65,000 naira before 6 months of creation. Now that means once you create that account 1 and you bring in 5 people within 40 days, you have a grace period of 6 months to complete the process of paying that 65,000 naira. If you do not pay that 65,000 naira within 6 months, it will not be possible for you to complete your fast track. That means your fast track will be all to a waste. So what you have to do is, if you register January 1st and your account is confirmed January 1st, you calculate 6 months, which will make it June. That's from January to June. You have the grace period of paying in your 65,000 to collect your 130,000. So what you have to do is, you can be paying your 1,300 naira till it gets close to that time, then you complete the payment. Now after completing the payment at that 6 months, immediately it hits 6 months, you log into your account and you start the clearance. It's so easy. Now back to those new people you brought in. Now for those new people you brought in, for each of them to qualify for 130,000 naira, let's go to the next slide to explain more. Now for each of them to qualify for 130,000 naira, they have to use their own personal referral ID to create new accounts. Now each of them, meaning this first account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, have to bring in at least one person each to qualify for 130,000 naira in 11 months and 2 weeks. Or they can also join you and run a fast track, meaning once you create their own account for them, they can also get 5 people under each of their accounts, and each of them is going to get, instead of 130,000 naira in 6 months, in 11 months and 2 weeks, they are going to get 130,000 naira in 6 months. Is that not interesting? Wow. So that's all for today. Thank you, and see you next time on another episode of NobleMerry tutorial. Bye.